Ready to monetize your podcast and turn your audio passion into profit? Let's get started. This guide reveals earning methods using Buzzsprout. First up, advertising. Within Buzzsprout, you can easily integrate dynamic ads, pre-roll, mid-roll, post-roll into your content. These are automatically inserted ads from networks, and you get paid per listen. Next, sponsorships. Partner with brands relevant to your podcast's niche. Negotiate mentions of the brand in your episodes for payment. You'll manage these deals directly, as Buzzsprout doesn't handle them. Then, try affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your podcast. Include unique affiliate links in your show notes to earn commissions when your listeners make purchases. Like sponsorships, you manage these agreements with the companies directly. Always be transparent with your audience. Disclose sponsored content and affiliate links to foster trust and deliver top-notch content. By focusing on advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, you can generate revenue with your Buzzsprout podcast. #podcast Monetization #podcast income.